Hello, hello, hello. It's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, Tracy, and myself. Our Mini Kit Monday host for the month of August is Becky. She has selected this mood inspiration board as our inspiration piece for the month of August. You use this as your jumping off point. You can select one color, you can select two colors, you can select all the colors, and then add some more to your kit. If you would like to play along, I will have the link listed below to the Mini Kit Monday group. What you need to do is snap a photograph of your kit, and then snap a photograph of each layout that you created and upload it to the August album. As you can tell in the mood inspiration board, we have grays, two colors of mints, yellows, whites, and you can even go with like a light black color. Okay. All right, off to showing you the pre-selected papers for my August 2021 kit. I've already stacked them and grouped them together per layout. I like to do page kits within my kit. So for my first layout, I have selected this paper from Simple Stories from the Faith collection, and it was released in 2017. I can use this side or I can use this side. It will work perfect with my paper selection here. And then this next one is Pink Fresh Studios, released in 2021, called Some Days. I am not using that side. I am using this side, along with this paper from Doodle Bug Design called Petite Prints, and it's the wood grain, and it was released I think in 2021. There's no year on here. I can't, 2020. I don't want to use the checkerboard side. I want to use the wood grain side. So this will be one page kit right here. Then the next page kit is this paper from Fancy Pants in 2019 of these mint or aqua color stars, white, and it is on a dark navy blue background, kind of reads black. I know the navy blue is not part of the mood board colors, but like I said in the beginning, you can add additional colors to your kit. Then I selected this paper from Pink Fresh Studios called Out and About, and I selected it for this side, and it was released in 2018. So that's page number 2, or paper number 2. And then I have Doodlebug Design Love Notes, and this is from 2019. Again, a gray on gray wood grain. This is a light one. The other one was a dark gray on gray. This is a light gray on gray. So this is for page kit number 2. And I'll have 4 page kits because there are 5 Mondays in the month of August. And of course, the first Monday, we are revealing our kit to you. So for page kit number 3, I have this scrap paper. You can see that I tore it at one point. And it is from Pink Paisley Whimsical Collection number 4, and this was 2018. I selected it for this side as a nice contrast with this paper from Carta Bella, released in 2020, called Sweet Summer Jams, and also Summer Market Collection. I selected it for this side. This is the opposite side, which I could use as well, but for now, I have selected it for this side is my thought. The next paper here, which has the yellow, the 2 different shades of mint or aqua color along with blue. So I'm introducing that navy blue. And this is Dear Lizzie, She's Magic. And this was released, I'm trying to read it upside down. I can't see the year. I think it's 2020. So I selected it for that side. And that is page kit number 3. All right, for page kit number 4, I have this scrap here. I don't know. Oh, this is a Maggie Holmes. I don't know what collection. And I selected it for this side as a nice contrast against this pattern paper. And this one is also a Maggie Holmes paper collection, 2018 Sunny Days. So I'm bringing in that gray and a light black color. Then I have this paper from Pink Fresh Studios from 2021 from the collection Some Days. I selected it for this side. It reminds me of the curtains, both these patterns. Kind of there's a pattern in the curtains on that mood board inspiration piece. And of course, this is the darker of that aqua mint, almost green. And then right here is that lighter mint color, or you can call it a green or aqua, which is this pattern here. It picks that up nicely. And this again is Pink Fresh Studios, and it's from Keeping It Real, released in 2021. And again, I selected it for this side. I really love this side. I may change my mind. I honestly selected this paper to create a layout using this side, but again, going with the mood inspiration piece, this is the combination that I came up with. So those are my 4-page kits. And then the embellishments to go with all those page kits I have right here. So I have these puffy stickers. Well, you know what? I'm going to move this to the side. I have the puffy stickers from Some Days collection. Again, we have the different shades of the mints and greens, and then to add a pop of color with the yellow right here, or orangey yellow. Then I have this old Pink Fresh Studio Travelers collection. And it was from Out and About. Again, we have some of that blue, and of course a lot of that yellow and the mint and green. Then again, we have the yellow and the mint and some blue, and we have a matted black, and then we also have the gray right here. So a lot of the colors, and then to add a pop of color for some, let's see, stickers, we have the Some Days collection. Again, I have papers within my kit from that collection, so that'll work perfectly. Then also to play off that gray again and the mint, I have these chipboards from Home Again Cartabella. And then for a pop of color, I chose these stickers, but they are a white base, so I'm not sure. I always struggle with words with when you take it out, it's got the white around, so I can trim around it, but not necessarily the words, but we'll see if we can get it to work. And it gives me this border right here. So that's from Becky Booten. Then for some alpha phrase words, some more, I have this leftover from, I think it's Sunny Days. So we have the black color, and then I have, who is this from? This is from Pink Fresh Studios, My Favorite Story. And so we've got that yellow, the mint, a little blue, some pop of color, that yellow, mint, blue. So I thought this would work great. It can come up with some titles using these alpha letters. And then I have also this sticker sheet here, which is from Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Ancestry sticker sheets. And maybe we can get this to work. It has that gray tone in there, the yellow, the mint, pops of red. So we'll see if we can make any of that work. So that's my embellishment. Now I have selected some sprays in dilution colors. So I think this is the black marble. This is pure sunshine in the middle. And then this end one is called polish sprays that I selected. Then I selected these Nouveau drops here. So we have this black, which is ebony black. Then we have dandelion yellow. And then we have Caribbean Ocean. And for some further dimension, I just grabbed my box of wood veneer that I can dig through and see what I can use. I can color them up. I didn't pre-select any stamp pads, like my distress stamp pads or my close to my heart stamp pads, because they're right next to me and visible. I can see all my color ranges if I would like to use any of those or any stencils. All right, so that is my kit. Be sure to check out the other ladies, Mini Kit Monday ladies, and the ladies over at the Facebook group to see their kits that they put together. Oh, I forgot, and the photographs that I selected after I put my kit together. So I have this photograph here of myself, and I'll tell about the people in it. And then I have another photograph of myself with my little guy last fall, and see that gray in there. I thought that would work. This is a photograph of my husband and I in 2014 in Vegas. And then an older picture of my father to go in my album dedicated with that. And then there's an album that's about my just selfies of my husband and I over the years. And then this would go into the family album. All right, so those are my photographs. All right, so this is my entire kit. I'll try to span this out quickly. I don't want the video to be too long. And like I said, we would love for you to play along over at our Facebook group site, and be sure to follow the Mini Kit Mondays YouTube videos to get more inspiration. And there we go. There is the kit. Everything's rolling off. Guess my table is not level. All right, I appreciate you all. Get out your photographs, get out your scrappy supplies, and come play along with Mini Kit Monday every Monday. Bye.